streaming. It's been a while since I've streamed. We're back on a new we're on a new setup and it's fully Linux. I'm on Ubuntu. It took a while to do boot my system. Ended up deleting Windows and fucking everything up. So yeah, I actually am using NeoVim. Uh, I have a new NeoVim. What's it called? I have a new NeoVim setup and stuff. Uh, it's using uh, it's using LazyVim, but yeah, it looks okay. And I set my VS Code up. I made it more better. It's a little bit like this and stuff. Um, and yeah, um, it's pretty good in my opinion. I like it a lot. I was setting up Git and everything else. I have my terminals set up here for this is gonna be for my server. Everything uh works properly and stuff. If I compile, there was no problems with compiling right here. I did try Debian and it did not compile good. Only the server though. There was like one problem with the server where it didn't compile on Debian. Not sure why, but yeah. Um but yeah, besides that, um let me make the client real quick. Um yeah, everything's pretty good. Um so yeah, if I want to run this server, there we go. It works all just fine right now. There we go. And I did test the chats and stuff. But yeah, besides that, I'm gonna mute my desktop audio because I'm gonna be listening to some copyrighted music and stuff. And I don't want to get copyrighted, of course. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it and stuff. So um yeah, that's it. Alright, so I don't know what I'm gonna do today, to be honest. If I um go back, I should have my tasks. I still having a problem with NeoVim, but yeah, I was gonna make it my main editor and stuff, but it's I'll just leave it right now. Okay, let's go right here. Make receive public key. Okay, test compile times one. Oh yeah, we gotta fix that. Um, I remember we were going to. Okay, let me make the. Let me go right here. Why did it stop? Why did NeoVim just have problems with everything when I what's it called? Right when I start streaming, it was working just fine. Anyways, we are going to. Also, I'm not gonna use what's called VS Code's source control right here. Um, because I'll just use the terminal. It's faster for me, I guess. So, um, yeah. Um, what am I gonna do? Okay, so let me make the let me clean real quick. Okay. All right. We're gonna make the server. Let's see all the errors that we're gonna get. The warning summit. What do you mean? Hmm? Oh, my bad. Okay, we should get a lot of warnings. Alright, okay, so del 0, I meant del 1, and leave.cpp. It's unused. Um, okay. In get comparison of its long and a constant message.size is a long unsigned int and max limit in get. That's in server. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a const. We should probably do long unsigned. Just the same types, I guess. Let's go into the headers. Okay. That should be good. Okay. We're still getting for this cursor position. Okay. Between a long unsigned int and an int. That's in the get. There's a lot in get. Cursor position. Okay, so we'll just change the cursor positions type to a long unsigned int. Alright. Unsigned, I mean, unused variable in 46, I guess. Well, uh, for I and 46. Oh. Mm, yeah, that's supposed to be there. Comparison of different signess. Alright, int cursor position is message size. We'll make cursor position unsigned, I guess. That should fix those unsignedness errors. Oh, warnings. Active int. Okay. And columns out as well. Yeah, this needs to be unsigned actually. because that wouldn't make sense to be signed. Cursor's position don't go negative. Um, okay. Oops. So most of those sinus errors, well, warnings, are fixed. Uh, calls. We gotta do calls too. Okay. Um, unused variable active int. Okay. I don't care about this one, to be honest, because we are doing we're printing out an asterisk in password mode based on how much based on how much characters there are in the vector mode piece. So I'm just gonna ignore that. Active int in what? Active int in server 145. Um, I'm guessing active is not used either. Okay, so min limit. So password length is, alright, we'll set min limit equal to, okay, it's in what? Real quick, in the server header. Also, everything is gonna be cleaner because in my settings and stuff in C++, I customized the whole thing. So, what's it called? It's not gonna display, it's gonna remove renamed and deleted files and stuff. Like, so it's gonna be a lot cleaner and shit. So yeah. Okay, we should go up here. Okay. An int and a long unsigned int. Int is this, so we'll set I equal to an unsigned. Where's that at? In 610. Okay, and that's interesting. Okay. I don't know if we need to specify int after the why am I broadcasting that twice? So if we did use that in the server, it would be sending twice because we're using a double loop. Okay, good thing we found that. Okay. Oh, okay. Um, pretty good. Alright, bytes read is a long int. We'll make unsigned. Can we set that to unsigned? 675. Alright, it's right here. Uh, no, we can't. Alright. I'll just say, unsigned int. All right. Lots of objects that we made that we're not using. I see a lot of errors for that. Like that. Okay. Unsigned int for I in 116. 116. 116. I'm guessing it's not in there and it's in this server. Right here. Yeah, 116. What's it called? Let's go to server. 116. Okay, unsigned, I guess. I don't know why I don't set all these to unsigned, because they are not gonna equal anywhere near 0, to be honest. So yeah. Um, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Let's search for all for loops because we're getting a lot of unsigned. We're getting a lot of signedness errors. All right. Const auto. Okay, we're gonna do that. Why did I? What the fuck? I used an 8-byte integer. For unsigned short. Alright, that's good. Okay. Bytes read. Signedness. Yeah. Unsigned and then int. Hmm. This is the int, and this is the unsigned because we set that to unsigned. How would I? That's in the headers, in the header file. Can I just simply cast it to that? Okay. Yeah. Alright, that worked. Okay, so we're gonna go right. Um, if ID does not equal. So ID is int 172 in server. Okay. Unsigned int and int 172. Oh, alright. So right here, I'm gonna just simply just cast this to an int. We don't need any other casting. We don't need to use a whole casting method and shit. Like static cast, because it's just a simple. I'm pretty sure it's called an explicit cast. Alright, limit of users is a short int. We're gonna need to set that short int to a unsigned. So we're gonna go to 395. Okay. Limit of users. We're gonna say unsigned. There we go. Alright, so I'm confused on this one. Um, different signedness. Okay. So a long int between a long unsigned. If ints. Where's that? 508. Uh, 508. Okay. Unused variable index 2. I'm so glad we what's it called, did this. There's lots of variables like this. Why am I doing this? Unsigned. What is index if what about index 1? Is there index 1? There isn't. Really? Okay. If unsigned it. Okay. So load key. I'm still a little bit slow to searching. I like how in VS Code the searching of lines is basically the same thing as um in Vim. It's pretty cool. Alright, unused variable valid. Huh. 506. Unused. Okay. There's no formatting? Uh, I have a formatter. It's just using the default one. Um, okay. Alright, we're gonna use um can we use ceiling? Where is it? I don't know if it's what if we use this? Would that be I'll just delete ceiling, I guess. I'm not sure how to It's not, I'm not sure. It's whatever, I guess. Still don't know how to fucking do that. I'll leave this for now. Oh, right here. Hmm. Can I just... I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so unused variable. Mm, I'm not sure how to get rid of this warning. It's whatever. Unused variable valid. Okay, we'll go to 506. I think I have an idea. The format shit is not working. Okay. It's just this left. Hmm. Mm. What's in I if I go to mode I? I'm at mode P. Why don't I insert? Okay. Let's see if the password is still the same. It should be the same. Like the input shit. No. Okay. Um. So the printing part. Uh, I'm dumb. It's because I was printing out the. It's because in. It's because in C++, if you're printing out a character in an int, it's gonna print out the ASCII, whatever it's called, the number it corresponds to, I guess. But it did double, which was weird. It was writing it double. Fuck. I meant to run it. Alright, let's run the client. I'm gonna ignore the warnings right now for the client. I don't wanna worry about them right now. I just wanna test if the password input is correct for the thingy. Uh, Let me just do that. Okay. Alright. Yeah. It works. Okay. I disconnected my username. I mean, without a username. Okay. Say, let me close that. Okay. Let's work on the client now. Client one, also let me uh, add everything and then okay. Perfect. Um, there we go. Okay, let's go right here. Lots of stuff. Okay, we're gonna search for all these. Okay. Let's go to my client. That is bullshit. What the fuck? I know I have for loops. Oh, it's in the ncur header. Okay, that makes sense. So all in the ncur header. Well, mainly. Okay. Same with this. It was doubling. That is not the only one. What the fuck? Okay. I gotta fix the fucking format shit. I'm only gonna fix the warnings right now, and then when I actually start coding, I have to fix the formatting stuff. Yeah, we gotta go to that. Oops. we'll just set this to an int. And 60. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Line 60 right here. Okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to change calls. So we're gonna need to change this to unsigned. Also, I'm glad to be on Linux again because the default, what's it called, key mappings on Linux is a lot better than on Windows. Well, to me at least, because I really like Linux's the way the key mappings are. Like if I want to undo something and then redo it, it's just that. It's just Control Z and then Control Shift Z. That's a lot easier than I didn't even know how to redo in Windows. Okay. Alright, let's see this shit. Okay, in, uh, 304. I didn't know there was that much lines in here. Alright. Unused variable in mode P. We're gonna have to do the same exact thing for the whatever it's called. For the client sketch. Okay. So that should be good. Yeah. That should be all the client shit, the warnings and stuff. Okay. Fixed all. This is gonna be client. Okay. Let me go to my GitHub just to see if they are there. They should be. Oh, we forgot to push yeah, we forgot to push the um git push yeah. Okay. Fixed all clients. Alright. Fixed all server. Okay. Perfect. There we go. That's 2 issues down. Fix all warnings. That's we're gonna close that. Okay. Switch to ncurses, blah blah. Okay, wait. Set up C++ code for that. Where's the include path? Wait. Uh, okay. Where's the... Do I have format on save? Wait, hold on. Let's say let me test it real quick. Oh, I don't. That's why. Okay, let me go to my settings. We can like, where's it? Uh, right here. Damn it. I forgot how to, I meant what's called, on Linux, I'm not sure how to, whatever it's called. Um, whatever it's called. First of all, let me go to, settings. Uh, Not in here. How do I, hold on. It doesn't show me my settings, like, okay. Boom. Format. Format and paste and save. There we go. There we go. Because I know I set it up properly, but it wasn't working right. I don't know why. And now I know why. Perfect. I'm gonna go to my server. There we go. Everything's already formatted now. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see what else we need to do in our GitHub issues. I gotta set up like a way better. I gotta set up a little bit better system. Uh, can I do that? It's because the not formatting fucked with the whole code shit and how it looks. See that? In NeoVim, the formatting actually messed with this whole file and stuff. Yeah, see that? God damn it, it is so ugly. It's because in NeoVim, it's formatting is horrible. Like, I literally hate it. But anyways, I'm glad I set up everything fast because I was really having trouble with installing Linux. Even though I never had a problem with it, it's just it's it really was acting weird today. I had to fix the partitions on my disk and stuff, and I'm not sure if I'm saying the right words, but the first time I installed it, it was what's it called? My root file system. Look, if I go to if I go to disks, you can see my file system is at 511. Now earlier in the first time I had four partitions and it was the fourth one was NVMe 0 and 1 P4 and my root file system was right here. It was this small, like think of a box right here. There was this free space right here and this whole file system was free unallocated storage and it was right here to the left and obviously I can't resize the root system because the unallocated space is to the left. So I had to restart everything, delete it, and I used an Android phone to reinstall and flash a USB drive with uh, Ubuntu, and it took a while to reinstall shit. And originally, the the file system root where it was mounted at was only 9 gigabytes. It was using 9 gigabytes out of my 512. I don't know why. But yeah, I fixed it and shit. Originally, um, I flashed Ubuntu on a 32 gigabyte drive, and then it gave me a booting error after I finished setting it up and shit. I had to reset up Ubuntu like at least 10 times. It was very annoying, and I tried it one more time today, and yeah, it worked. But last time I've never had that problem with Debian because I used to always use Debian and dual boot it with Windows. But and I've never had a problem with Debian. But Ubuntu, I don't know what happened this time. It was a weird blah blah blah. And I set it up and I didn't want Debian because well, Debian is faster and Debian is more and Ubuntu is a lot more bloated than Debian because Ubuntu is basically Debian but like more shit and stuff and more modern and stuff. But in my opinion, I like uh, Ubuntu's beauty. Like it's a lot more prettier to me, I guess. And like, yeah, I don't know. With Ubuntu, I feel like a lot more better and shit. But yeah. What was I gonna do here? Uh, fuck. What was? Oh yeah, I was gonna go to my GitHub issues. Okay. Switch server. Blah blah blah. Okay, we're gonna just leave that. Cause these are some big ones, alright. Format temp to look properly. I'm gonna ignore that right now. Instead of erasing the whole line. Okay, add server and user commands. Fix every time Getch is being run, it runs a new thread. That makes no sense. Um, make real-time user typing messages. Okay. Make a way for server to detect if user left in the background. Fix client bug. That's basically fixed. It's not really a bug. It's just sometimes it can't. Well, it is a bug, I guess, but like, it's whatever. Send back the user's active txt. We don't need to do that. That would the client has no control. He shouldn't have any control over the He just needs to know the initial. No need to do this. The server already sends the key of the new user that connects after other user leaves. Okay. Now we're gonna set that to as closed. I'm done with that. Make a separate thread to handle client disconnections. Okay, what I'm having an idea of, let me install draw.io. I guess I'll just install it from here. Draw.io. I'm pretty sure it's called, yeah. Okay, so because I want to demonstrate the I want to demonstrate something. I want to show something. I'm gonna eat this banana real quick and mute. Hold on. All right, so um my ass hurts and shit. So yeah. Anyways, oh shit. Damn. Okay. I spammed it. All right. So we're gonna just create a what diagram? Yeah, we'll just create a empty one. Okay, so say we have a say we have this, right? And this represents what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Say we have this as what's called, what was I gonna say? Say we have this and I wanna put some text on it real quick. How the fuck do I add text to this? Okay. Say this is a thread. BG thread to listen to disconnect messages. Alright, say that, right? Now we're gonna say this. Now we're gonna say if this right here we're gonna if this if this is 0 bytes then it is going to just delete the client shit. uh, just connect client and clean up. Okay, it's gonna do that, right? Now, we're gonna do that else. So we're gonna say like, um, else we're going to do this. All right. Now this is going to say, okay, we're gonna do if bytes is greater than 0, if bytes greater than 0, then we are going to if bytes is greater than 0, right? And then what we are going to do next is pass it to a global variable. I guess we can call it like received message instead. Yeah, that'd be actually perfect. Uh, instead of okay, so like uh pass. We'll just make that global received message. Okay, we'll just call it. We'll pass the message to a global variable called received message. All right. Now, when we pass this, what we're going to do is, well, after we pass it, we are going to just use it, I guess. We'll say, okay, so we're gonna need to test that actually. So right here, we're going to go to right here. Okay, and now we're gonna say, um, so we're gonna go to, hold on, let me set this shit up really quick. Alright, I'm just gonna code without talking much. I'm listening to my music. If this doesn't work, I'm going to just fuck it and leave. And just redo this, I guess. Hmm. I'm not gonna talk much though. Uh, doesn't show it right here. Control Shift Alt. Alright, we're gonna go right here. Fuck, what was it? Control Shift Alt. Where's it? Control Shift Alt. Copy line down. Alright, right here. Not this. We're gonna do Control Shift down. Add cursor below. No. Control Shift Alt down. Okay. Holy fucking shit. Wait, what? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm pretty sure it would switch it out. It should. Control Shift up should be. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Perfect. Thank you to that guy. That's. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay. We don't need any of these, to be honest, for not the handle client. We're talking about the other thing. I'll show you. So this is for what it's called. Also, we're gonna pass all these by reference soon. Yeah. So the client socket server hash. We don't need the server hash, to be honest. Well, I'm talking about this function specific. This can be like detect log, detect um detect disconnect. Disconnect. Alright. Okay. PNN. Nope. Hashed IP. Yeah. And then the value. What's the value? Oh yeah, we don't need that. We're just gonna pass this as a reference. Okay. Okay. And we're detaching that. We'll make a just avoid, detect disconnect. Alright, so let's see what we need. Alright, right here. Okay, this is gonna be just the client socket, SSL, client socket, same as the top function. Alright, it's gonna be the ncl sock, I guess. Hashed IP. Hashed IP is a string. We'll just do that as a const. Okay. This is going to continuously read and detect. Alright, yeah, it's going to continuously read and detect disconnections. That zoomed out is a lot better. I feel like I can focus more and see more. Alright, anyways, we are going to go where we're reading the client username. Gonna just copy everything right here. Okay, right here. Just continuously loop them out. DDF means detect function, I meant detect disconnect function. Mm, okay. As received message. Alright. Okay. Received. Okay, we're gonna actually remove these two. Alright. Receive data. We're gonna remove that. Actually, yeah, we're gonna keep that. Okay. I think I actually spelled that right. Alright, ciphertext is equal to receive data. We're just gonna make a string. Okay. Um, we'll just say receive data So you go to buff, receive message, receive data. We should create a mutex lock about around this probably. Mm. I'll use the same lock. I'll use the same mutex just for all. All right, perfect. Okay, we're not gonna do anything about it. We're just gonna read it. All right. Now I know there's gonna be quote unquote conflicts with the other data receiving and shit, but um, I'm just gonna test it. Okay. Buffer. Um. Oh, dummy. Receive data. Where was that? What the f- Why did I set it to itself? Okay. That was such a dumb mistake. Okay. Receiving username from client twice. Alright, so if it's doing it twice, we're gonna stdc out. We'll say right here, buff str, leave for that. Okay. Yeah, that shit. We'll test this. Okay. It's because we received something empty. Alright. Client has disconnected. How? Hmm. First of all, let's not, okay, that should not be in a while loop. I don't think so. I don't know why we got a seg fault though. That's interesting. Alright, let's do this. 49152. Fuck. TXT files. I gotta fix this NeoVim shit, not gonna lie. Updated vector size. User password verified. And add it to that. Okay. It receives the username. Hmm. What if? Let me. Oh damn! I didn't switch to the CL shit. I meant the SSD stuff. Okay. What if instead? Well, I'm not gonna do this. Like constantly. I'm just. Actually, no. That we can't do that because if we do, so what I was thinking is making a thread and let it ping the whole well, not ping, but send like a certain message to the server every time, so this doesn't happen. But why don't we hmm, why don't we, if they disconnected, we send them a message. Well, if it thinks they disconnected, we send them a message, and then we can like send a message back from the client. But that's not gonna work. Hmm. I don't know. After they type their username in. Where's that at? Hmm. Actually, yeah. Why don't we do that? Instead of running this detect disconnect right there. Yeah, that's a very good idea actually. I'm gonna take that, right? I'm gonna go to right up here instead of right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, this fucking formatting pisses me off. Okay, return. Alright, hold on. Okay, what if we run the thread right after they connect? Right here. Alright. Because it wouldn't ask them for anything else. Alright, perfect. This is gonna be the client socket. This is gonna be start sock, CL sock. Okay, hashed IP. Alright, perfect. It runs this thread right here. Perfect. Okay. God damn this. Okay. So after their password and shit is done, actually I'm pretty sure we're gonna need to go with this 8080. Alright, so after the password stuff, then it starts it and detects, it waits for um user disconnects, I guess. So right here, damn it. Seg faults. Where is it? Um, we need to run this somewhere else. Now we're not actually making a disconnect and stuff. We're just what's it called? Doing this. Hold on. Okay. Else, we're gonna send an OK signal. Alright. Fuck. Okay, let's see this. Um, I know it's not good. It's not good to do that, but I'm just testing. Okay. Alright, let's say the right password, blah blah blah. Okay. Why is it saying receiving username? But whatever. Let's disconnect. Perfect. There we go. Let's connect this. Oh wait, it's because it's gonna say there's gonna be two people in there. Okay, so it disconnects that client. Alright. Now I should not disconnect the second. It matches to put it right here. Alright. So we're gonna say detect disconnect. Well, we're doing that. That's why. Okay. Client has disconnected. We'll say std cout client with hashed IP has disconnected. Okay, we'll use leave CL. Do we have okay, yeah, we'll say this. I guess we can go to leave CL right here. God damn. Right here, we're gonna use the same shit. Oh, it's literally right on top of it, okay. None, okay. So the username, the ID, CLSock. Also that, I see where that received username thing it was coming from. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna say leave CL unsigned. Well, it's gonna be client socket. So let's see the args. Oh, it's up here. Yeah, we got a CL socket as well. Okay, hashed IP. Oh, no, that's the index. Why do we need hashed IP? What the fuck? Actually, hold on. Oh yeah, that's ID. Um, just set that as a. What the fuck? Same arguments as the other one. Okay. We'll say ID. Call me username. Username. Now we set this up to do the rest for us, so we're good right now. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Buff str. Actually, we're gonna leave that because we wanna know what it is when we get to that point where we can send messages and shit. Okay, let's actually go to detach right here. Client socket, CL sock. Okay, ID, index client out. Okay, and user str, std, ref element, user str. Okay, perfect. Let's see this. We also need to update the active file. With the client usernames dot size. Alright, let's see this. We don't really need to update the active file, but because the server's not reading, it's not relying on a file, it's relying on the actual vector's name, size. So yeah, but I just want to update it. It's whatever. This client should connect properly, and when he disconnects, it should detect that properly as well. Okay, and then clean him up. Client with hashed IP. Oh yeah, let me hashed IP instead of that. Oh, actually. Oh wait, no. Yeah, we can say FMT format. That's gonna be it, and we're gonna say what is it again? Client hashed IP. Fuck, I forgot the map name. Tries IP times IP. Really? Where the fuck is it? Uh, TLS? No. Okay. So hashed IP, client IP. Okay. All right. We set this empty. Clear actual user IP. Okay. That's surprising. I don't store the hashed IP. I thought I did. Leave CL. Oh, we do have this. Okay. What the fuck's that? Okay. Mm. All right. Searches for the username. Okay, now. Okay, so it's from that on ID. Okay, so it's from this ID. Yeah. Now, of course, I want to shorten that, but let's see if it at least prints the IP as well first. And we see that the user's active file is updating properly because leavecl is updating. It's actually deleting everything properly. So yeah, hold on. Okay. All right. Let's say I disconnect. Client with hashed IP 1. Oh, that's their verification. If they verify it or not. Oh yeah, we don't delete the hashed IP. But where do we store it? Do we store it in the handle client? Do we have a map here? Time map of hashed IP. Okay, so we have a string. God damn, I should have not taken that big ass break. That like 3-day break today. Hashed IP, so we're just passing hashed IP in. Alright, we'll just pass hashed IP in the functions, what's it called? Arguments. Right here, we'll say like uh, const std string hashed IP. Alright, perfect. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, now let's go where we call it. The reason why we only call it in the for the first client, I've told you, is because we don't really care about the other clients disconnecting. Alright? Because they're going to be connected anyways. And we'll keep track of that as they're connected. Because we already have a way to track that. But we don't have a way to track the user that disconnects right when the chat is starting up and shit, waiting for another user. So yeah, this is gonna be a problem for the other user as well. So I'll need to call this in the users too, since this thread is gonna be running and receive the data. It's not gonna be received from the other user. I'll see, maybe. We'll see. Alright, let's check the CLSOC hashtag P. Uh, Not hashtag, oh yeah, STD. Reference, alright. Okay. Okay. Say disconnects. Client with hashtag P has disconnected. Also, I'm going to put like just indicating that the whatever it's called is. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna run this in GDB. The reason why is I want to see if the thread disconnects. It probably does. We'll see. We don't know for sure till we check. Oh shit. Okay. What port? 4942. Okay. No. All right. Perfect. Also, we see that the thread only starts after it checks everything else, like if they're rate limited and stuff. So yeah. Um, Perfect. And it starts that thread. Okay, it exits the other thread. The client's thread that he used to connect. We see this is his thread he used to connect. Wait, hold on, no. Oh, also, it exits the thread that was used to detect if that client disconnected. It does not exit the client's thread though. We'll just return here. It might not do anything, but we'll see. Okay. That's on port 8080 probably, yeah. 8080, alright. So let's see, his thread is that. Okay. Alright, there we go. Mm, hmm. Cause it isn't, oh wait. Yeah, so it's not disconnecting the other client's thread. This client's thread that joined. Because it's in the while loop, right? I'll show you. Right here, it's in the while loop. We should also, like, go right here. And we're gonna say, uh, else if, well, we'll say if client username's dot size is less than 0, then we're just gonna return. So this should stop the thread. Well, not less than 0, less than 1. So this should return on that thread and disconnect it basically from the handle client function. Okay, let's run this. Alright, this should disconnect the thread. There it is. So yeah, now it disconnects the client thread. This is the client thread, and this is the same exact one. Right here. Oh, no, right here. So yeah, it disconnects them and perfect. Okay. Now let's see, let's say if somebody else wants to connect, right? Okay, there we go. Perfect. New thread. So this is just to detect if they leave. Let's say he leaves as well. It's gonna destroy his, well, it's gonna delete his thread and everything. Perfect. So let's see if both clients connect, what would happen. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Oh fuck, the rate limits. Start it from the beginning. I'm pretty sure this is from GDB. Close connection of unknown user. So that's because the rate limit shit. Time user. I'll just let me exit this. Fuck. Okay, so now we know that it works and disconnects the actual client. So let me disconnect that. 49152. Okay, let's start this client. Okay. Let's say just that. Perfect. Pretty sure these are from the pings. When we're pinging this server, it's probably detecting that as an unknown user. But it's whatever. So let's see this. Yep, I detected that. I meant what's called. I knew that. Okay. Alright. So it's not. Hmm. Uh. Actually, why don't we? Oh yeah, the server disconnected. Okay. Why don't we, instead of detaching this, we let's say detect leave. We join this back after the whole process. Okay. Oh, we should just do it there. Perfect. Alright, so we do that. Now we're going to replace. Okay, so the disconnecting stuff. Okay, and then right here. Let's go right here. This, we're actually going to remove this whole condition, but because we're just going to read this. And, but right now, let me just see this. This should just run it and then join it back, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it should not interrupt with the basic, sending of messages and shit. Holy fuck. Okay. Of course. Alright. Okay, let's say I disconnect. It aborts. Okay, so it does that. That makes no sense. Okay. The reason why the way we did it makes no sense. I'll show you why. Like the place we joined it back makes no sense. This shouldn't be right there. If okay. Uh, we'll join that back right there. Oops. This should work. It's because we were joining only after that thread was I'll show you instead of talking. Because the way we did it normally was just dumb. Okay, there we go. Told you. Alright, so we're joining it properly in the right position. Alright. There we go. Oh, that bug. Oh. PSE. That's a code that we allowed. Okay, so it detected that it left. Could not open pen file. Error sending data. Please tell me that's just part of the error that the bug that we haven't fixed. I'm really hoping it is though. Alright, wait. Turn, huh. Okay, so the bug did not happen. Then somewhere is happening. Oh, okay. So where we actually should do it again would be right here. Okay. Alright, let's see this. So on this condition. Alright, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. So back then, earlier, we were running this thread before, right? And we were not joining it on the success condition, alright? So if the user did not actually leave, which was wrong of us, which leaves it like basically dangling. Hmm. Another user connected. Just join it right there, I guess. Okay, so it's not sending the. Okay. Alright, yeah. Okay, that should close it either way. So for like an else, I guess. I guess an else. Yeah, that should work. I hope so. No. Another user connected proceeding. Client size equal to that. Alright. What do I say STD? That's probably not running on that condition. There should be no reason that it should just run that. I'm not thinking, I don't know of any condition, I mean anything that would be causing this error. See, the reason why I don't want to do it detached, even though it would be easier, is because of, if I was to do it detached, I would have to, it would interfere with the messages being sent. So, yeah, we're gonna have to do it the harder way, I guess. Okay, let's see the, right here. Another user connected proceeding. So after we join it, so it freezes right here. Hmm. Say like, put it there. Why does it freeze when we join it? So it freezes at the code or we join the... That's weird. Fuck. Okay. The client size is 2. Hmm. I don't see anything that would be causing that. To like, I don't know. Mm, Cause look, if I do that, it's gonna cause mm, it's acting very weird. Alright. See? Sent that. So after I received it. Alright, yeah. There we go. They should send the messages properly. Alright, yeah. Okay, so it works. My keyboard's lagging because I'm a little bit far from my PC. Hold on. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. And I'm gonna put my PC on my table so it's so it doesn't my keyboard's not lagging when I'm typing. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright, I'm back from the bathroom. Took a lot longer than I expected. Um, yeah. So we see that the messages are working and shit. Okay. Why does it like give you a second to leave? Anyways, yeah, that's pretty good. So we're going to commit this. We're gonna say git commit dash m added user background detection user leaving user leaving uh during during waiting for another client um to join detection. Okay. Oops, we forgot to do okay, add everything. Alright. Git push. Okay, perfect. So let's see if everything got updated and shit. We're gonna delete that shit. Uh deleted junk file. Did I update anything in the client? I'm not sure if I did. It's whatever. I'll leave that for now. Uh, okay. Um, we'll say add user detection during start up of server. We just finished this, so we're just gonna mark it as closed. Add namespaces to headers. Oh yeah, we'll leave that for now. I want to make the menu, cause well, like for the server at least, because well, not for the server. I guess this menu is gonna be for the um this menu is gonna be for the client and how it would how I would want it to look. But we'll just make a simple one, I guess. Um okay. We'll just save it as menu .cpp. Alright, now let's include IO stream. Okay, so we're gonna include string as well, cause yeah. Okay, let's just. I'm gonna actually use cause I'm trying to get used to using std. So we're gonna just do init screen. It's the same thing. Oh wait, I didn't include the ncurses. Okay, init screen. Okay. C break just to disable line buffering. No echo, I guess. We're not gonna worry about the typing, like get stuff, I guess. Get and what's it called? Get in our ncurses version or whatever the fuck. But we're not gonna worry about the typing right now. I just want to create the menu because the typing is gonna be like the easiest part, I guess, of it. I guess so. Okay, we're gonna say the height, comma the width. Okay, the height is equal to the lines. Alright, we'll say the width is equal to columns. The nice thing about ncurses is it takes care of most things for you. So yeah, we'll say this is for the message view. So we're gonna create two windows, one for message input and the other for message viewing, I guess. So message view is equal to the height. We'll say like -3, I guess. So height -3 would be like this length probably. Okay. It's gonna be message input, I guess. Oh, we should also make these for height. This is just gonna be 3 because that's what we're minusing off of this. So um, think of the height as this -1, 2, 3. Then this is the message input window. This whole thing is the message viewing, and this is the message input. So that's what makes the most sense for me. Okay, we're just gonna create the windows now. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be message. I guess I'll just say message view. Message view underscore when is equal to no when. Okay. New window of so the height is the MSG view height. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now we're gonna use the width, of course. The width is gonna be the same for both of them. We'll just set both these to 0. I don't even want to explain them. Alright, so this one's basically the same thing, except of course we're gonna just do input. Okay, with yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna draw the borders now. I expected it to be a lot harder, but like, fucking ncurses is very easy. Okay, the view. This is gonna just be input. Um, yeah, that's message input when. Oh, okay. We're just gonna make a string message. This is just for taking input. Okay. Uh, actually, instead of just taking input, I just want to see the what's it called? I just want to see the menu right now. I'm not gonna worry about the input, so we're just gonna sleep for like 10 seconds, I guess. Let's include UniSTD. Okay, sleep that, and then we can just delete the windows that we created of both of them. Message input, and then message viewing. Then we're just gonna use endwin to end the right here. Yeah. And then right here we'll just return 0, I guess. We don't really, that's whatever. So we're gonna say G++, where's menu? Alright, dash O menu dot C++. We're gonna have to link what's called ncurses. So we're gonna say dash slash ncurses. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna execute the menu. It's not printing out. Okay, so we should wait like 10 seconds or 5, 10. It's not really drawing out anything. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is not. It's not printing out. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea why it's not printing out. Box. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not missing anything, right? I hope I mean, hold on. Okay, we're creating the box. Okay, and then we sleep. Wait, I'm not refreshing the window to see the changes. Ooh, I forgot. Input. This should work. This is why I don't like fucking ncurses. Okay, well, I like it because it's easy, but I don't like it at the same time because it's fucking annoying, to be honest. Like, you have to refresh after fucking everything, alright? So, yeah, there we go. Okay, so, refresh the view. New win. That's the height. Huh. Why is it? It's printing out the height. 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3. Okay. message view is height minus 3. Uh, height minus 3, and then message input. Okay, we're refreshing the view first. Message input. Message input is this. Why is it printing over here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's 3. 3, okay. Okay, so, that makes no sense. So the input is, uh, so the message input is fucking weird, what the fuck? The message input is on top, and then that's the whole height. Okay, okay. Mm, okay. This is weird. Mm, I don't know. Message input height. We're refreshing them in order as well, so like it's not like there's anything that's going on with that. Uh, I don't understand. This is not making. What the fuck? Okay. Let's say I just create the input. Oops. Uh, so the height is that. I'm about to just use my get term columns and height and just set it like that, to be honest. But I kind of don't want to do that. Hmm. We should set this in the beginning right here, the cursor right here actually. Alright, instead of the message input, we're just gonna do the view. Right there. Okay, just invert that. Okay, so it's the whole thing. Now if we minus 3 on that shit, message view, so the height minus 3. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the whole thing. Okay, let's do that. That's not. What the fuck? Height minus 3. So the height is equal to 3. That's starting from the beginning, so it's like starting from like the beginning or like this. If the height is 3, That makes no sense. Let's say like 40. Let's see where this prints. So it goes past from here. Huh. Height -3. Set that to the height. That's gonna override that. But it's gonna be coming out of that. So why don't we set the starting to like that? Instead, it'll be like MSG view height +3. That's not making sense. Hold on. Um, hmm. Alright, you know what? Let's leave this for now. Let's just make the while loop for talking, I guess. We'll say ch is equal to wgetch right here. Okay, we'll say msg input. Oh, let's create a string. Msg. We'll just call it msg. Let's say msg. Yeah, that's good. And if it does not equal, um, wait, no. If the window msg input window, and if it does not equal, enter, I guess. Okay. I don't think the key code matters for enter. If I, yeah. Actually, no. Hold on. Fuck, what was it? Key. Fuck, it was, damn it. I guess we can say key up. Some shit like that. Just anything. Alright. Okay. Oops. It's not a function. Okay, so we can just say that. And the reason why I removed it from a new line, switched is so we can just display it. So we can say move it to the next line on the window. On the, what's called, view window. So we can say MSG view window. Okay. Where's the percent S? Okay, and then make a new line right there. Alright, and then we can say message dot C string. Because it takes C strings only. Also, I should change the font, to be honest. Anyways. So we're gonna, wait, no, hold on. I'm doing it wrong. Not this. Message view window. No. Lines, we'll say -5. I mean, oh, we'll see what that gets us. Okay, now we're gonna print the um message on MSG view window. Where's the percent? S new line, comma, MSG dot C string. Okay. I don't think I'm missing anything there. And then we're just gonna refresh it. We can never, we can't forget to refresh the window. Okay. MSG view window. Okay. So that's if that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we're just gonna clear the message input MSG input window. Okay, gonna just uh redraw it, I guess, like the outline. Pretty sure it works like this. Uh, 0, comma 0. Alright, W refresh. Remember, refreshing the window. Can't forget to do that. MSG refresh the input window. Alright, perfect. Okay, now we're gonna say, okay, so we clear that. Okay, we're gonna say else if um the character is equal to a backspace, but we're not. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about backspaces, I guess. We'll say else. It's just gonna add it to message. Uh, we're not gonna worry about backspacing or anything right now, at least, because this is just a window. We don't care about the actual text input part. We only want to do the window. W print W, yeah, MSG input window. We're going to print the character C. I used to hate that it takes like the C style of this like printing, but to be honest, I'm starting to like it. It is a little bit easier than C++, I guess. A little bit only. That that sounds weird, but it's true. Um, pretty sure that's clear. Uh, W clear, W refresh. Mm, let me clear the message. Uh, okay. So that's after we do that. Alright. Let's go to shit. Okay, let's go to the third one. Alright, hold on. Mm, okay. It's acting weird though. Um, it's not printing out how I want it to. Why don't we? Okay, so when I print something, it's gonna redraw the. Clears that. Okay, how about instead of that? Yeah, I'll just instead of just refreshing that, I'll just want to do this real quick. There we go. Now it's not clearing that. We're going to set the cursor. Um, hold on. Okay, so we're gonna set the cursor to what's it called? W move. Where's W move? Lines -5. Okay, so right over when we create it, we're going to uh what's it called? Uh I guess we can say W move. Well, we don't need that int. So we're gonna move it in, I guess, message input window. The int y, probably the message input height. Yeah, we'll say msg input height, comma, 1. Let's try it. 1, so it should move it right here, like that, and then down until the, it's not working. Um, we're not also not even clearing the message. I mean the um input. So so let me set this back to 0. All right, we're going to move this cursor down 1 1 in the, yeah, okay. So W move yeah, we'll do it in that, just 1 by 1. Perfect. Okay. So we're gonna move it 1 by 1. Now we wanna actually do this up here before, just in the while loop, so it's automatically. Oh, it's moving it to every character. Okay, okay, that makes sense. Um, yeah, that makes sense. So no, actually. So when we click enter, so before that, we're gonna actually do that. So by default, it should be there. Okay. Now instead of height -3, it's going to be, how do I remove the first, uh, hold on. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to, just start position, I guess, of the cursor. Like, well, I mean, like, I'm talking about the, right, where is it? Okay, so I'm gonna say new win. New win curses C++. Okay, let's see the args. So the args are the beginning x and the y-x. So the problem up with us where what we were doing, um, we were doing this, and when we create the view window, this should be from 0 to the height of the messenger view. Well, okay, look, so we're passing in 4 args. So That's the lines, that's the columns, that's the beginning X and Y. Okay, so our beginning Y and X, I mean, because ncurses functions differently. It's Y and then X. Okay, okay. So I'm going to the view, no, right here. So we're gonna say at 3. Well, hold on, that makes no sense. MSG view height plus 3. All right, actually plus 1. That's where it's supposed to be. Then the end is gonna be, I guess we can say lines. Yeah, that should be it. Okay, yeah. Well, it's not it, but I just want to see how it'll look. Okay, so see, hold on. Let me make it so you can see better instead. Alright, so this, for some reason, it's doing it right there. So that's the input window. So it's creating it from there. Alright. Now, X is moving a lot. Okay. Alright. Actually, we don't do +1. So that should at least remove the height and make it properly. There we go. Now the X position. Why did I do lines? Oh, I thought that was X. Oops. I meant, what's it called? I thought that was Y. See, because ncurses is a little bit weird. Uh, let's modify that to like, mm, okay, let me grab one of my functions. Where is it? It's right over the columns. Let's go to menu. Get term size columns. Let's do termios.h. Alright, and I'll see to you. Is it .h? Hold on. I forgot what I used. Oh, it's from system. Of course it's from system. It's literally used everywhere. I forgot. Okay. That should be the max amount of columns. That makes no sense though. Hold on. Uh, say like. Oh, wait. Oh, that's the starting. So it should be at 0. Okay. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Okay. There's nothing in between there. Perfect. What the fuck is that? Okay. Imagine when we take care of the get stuff. That'll be perfect. Um, Plus, ncurses by default like takes care of column shit good, like multiple columns typing, so we don't have to worry about that much. But yeah, so we're gonna need a in between. Okay, look. So look at how the cursor goes from blah 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 when it's printing. So we'll actually do curse set 0 right here. Look at my big brain move. Watch. We do that there. Okay, and then we set the cursor back to 1 so we don't see the cursor just moving randomly. Watch. Told you. You don't see the cursor moving in random places and shit. Boom. You gotta have a big brain sometimes. Alright, perfect. We made the menu. Oh, that thing was just, oh. Okay, so it happens after typing once. It doesn't redraw it properly. Refresh the input window. Alright, okay. Let's go W move. W move and curses. Uh, let's see the man page right here. Alright, uh, W move from the window and then XY. I feel like I should keep a vector to keep track, to make a vector to keep track of it, the lines that we use, probably. Lines -5. Okay. 1. That's the X value, of course. I'm only looking at the man, let's call it page, so I can understand more than I already know. So look, if it did not do +1, it would be printing right here. I'll show you. It should be. See that? Because that's the X value. Now, we're obviously going to want to print 1, and then, W move, so this is for the Y. Y should be 1, comma 1. So instead of 1, it should be at 2. Let's recompile this. Okay. We're gonna keep track of it. I said we're gonna say short track equals by 0, but it's 2 by default. Actually, it should be 1. Okay. So instead of just printing that, we're just gonna go to track. Yeah. Track plus plus. After that, it's gonna be track and then 1. Okay, this should print all the messages in its own line. There we go. So just a simple tracking shit. Now, we obviously gotta take care of this stuff when it's too much messages. Besides that, I mean, we made a simple menu. Look at this. Oh, so okay, so when we were printing right here with lines -5, this was disappearing. So it's for every message that we actually print. Why is that? Refreshing the whole window. There we go. Perfect. All right. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so yeah, yeah. Okay, perfect. This is gonna be pretty easy to implement into C++. I'm gonna enter our clients. We'll start with client first, as that's the most, as it's smaller than the server and stuff. So when we enter new messages, I mean, what's called messages that are empty, we're going to say if msg dot em well empty. So if it's not empty, then just do that. I know we said this is just gonna be basic, just so we have a layout of everything. But yeah, empty messages, I'm entering nothing. Perfect. I'm just adding small stuff, I guess. So that, alright. Um, uh, make menu. Actually, no, we already did that. Make, what, what are we making? Oh yeah, make, get line func for ncurses, I guess. Okay. So we made our own menu. Perfect. It was not that hard. Okay. Actually, it wasn't hard at all. It just took us fucking 80 lines. That's not bad. Now implementing it is going to be pretty hard. Implementing it to the client. Yeah, that's going to be a little bit hard, but it's okay. Okay, it's pretty good. Alright, yeah, pretty good. So, I probably later maybe want to add like the active users right here, like that are in the chat. We can easily do this by setting the x values of the width. So the x value up until like this minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probably like 7. Okay. So the thing with ncurses, it doesn't detect resizing of the terminal and stuff. So, and it doesn't do anything about it. So that's why I made my own get line, I meant it's called get term columns and shit. And I put it in a while loop in the getch so it detects, it at least detects resizes and shit. So yeah, we're going to, um, yeah, we're gonna, soon, we're going to implement ncurses in the thing, in the client. And we're also going to detect resizes of the terminal and stuff and print accordingly, I guess. But yeah, besides that, it's pretty good. So yeah, that's the basic menu. I guess we can say get add dots get commit dash m uh created menu for client implementation soon. Implementation soon. Alright, for implementation soon. Perfect. Let's push that. Okay. Failed to push some refs. Because update rejected. They do not have a copy. What were the that I don't have. Oh, it's probably from when yeah, that makes sense. Uh, it's this file, because we did delete it, so we're gonna have to pull. Okay. RM, that's, uh, wait, no, hold on. Newspaper, what do you mean? Wait, huh? If I do it with this, delete a chunk file. Where's our head? It says it's right here. Oh, yeah, okay. So, what is there? Git branch is, damn it, what was it? Okay, yeah, obviously. Uh, why is it not letting me type? Oh, added client, added menu for client implementation. For client implementation soon. Rebate, hold on. I haven't dealt with this before. Rebate, rebased branch get. Okay. I don't want to have any problems, so I'm going to cp menu .cpp to the back directory. Okay. In the back. Um, fuck, I haven't dealt with this before. I don't know enough Git for this shit. Uh, first of all, let me just enable it from here. Alright, yeah. Man, fuck this shit, I'll fix it later. Um, besides my, shitty ass Git skills, um, what's it called? Yeah, I'm done for right now. I'll, stream later. Well, not later, but like tomorrow or some shit. And, yeah. Bye. I made a menu and stuff, and yeah, I'm proud of it and stuff. Bye.